fish. There's a fish. Good one. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. We are here back at Jefferson Springs Rec area, trying to enjoy the weather, trying to do some fishing, or trying to see if we can catch some hybrid bass, stripe, maybe crappie, or maybe just a largemouth or smallmouth bass. We'll see how it goes. Excited about today's adventure because we are going to be using our first panoramic lure by 6 Cents. We'll see how that goes. It looks realistic to me, so I'm sure we got some predator fish, good sized ones that are going to be digging that bait, is my hope. That's currently hooked on a drop shot setup on my Extreme SDK rod, Bass Pro rod, 7-footer with an Abu Max X reel with a 10-pound line. So that's kind of what we are doing at this time. We're just trolling along this part of Percy Priest Lake, this stretch of river, and we'll go to our favorite hybrid / striped bass hangout place, and maybe we'll catch our PB striped bass, who knows, or PB hybrid. We'll see how that goes. But I appreciate you all joining in today's adventure. Stay tuned. Let's go ahead and catch us some fish. What's happening, y'all? Welcome back to another fishing adventure. We're back here at Jefferson Springs Rec area. We got our Extreme STK rod. This is a 7-footer with an Abu Max X reel, 10-pound line, and we have a drop shot set up. We have a panoramic minnow on this hook. I'll provide you with the exact size, and then we have a weight at the end of it. We will troll in this area and go to our hybrid striper crappie spot because we just can catch different sorts of fish in that area. That is where we are heading. Hopefully y'all are having a great day. Highs of 85 degrees today. Not a whole lot of people, which I'm a bit surprised considering that it is. Oh, we have a bite already. So we'll just troll and see if we can catch something. Some overcast today. Tomorrow it's going to be raining. 60% chance of rain, so might as well capitalize on the weather that we have today in this beautiful part of Smyrna, Tennessee, Jefferson Rec area. We'll let that troll, see if we can get some bites. It is windy, about 15-20 miles per hour wind at this time. Some folks enjoying the nice weather. Some are fishing, some are just on their boats, some are having picnics. Thankfully not a whole lot of jet skiers. I saw just one, but that's about it. I'm glad that I came here. I was worried at first, knowing that it's fall break in our area. There's going to be a ton of people either fishing or just enjoying the time out here in the water. See balls of bait fish over there. Fish. There's a fish. Good one. Nice bass. Nice bass. Good bass right here. Oh gosh. That's what we're after. Pale looking bass right here. Look at that. Good 14-inch, 15-inch bass. Good 15-inch bass right here. J.percy Priest, baby. Alright, time to let this bad boy go. for biting, buddy. Just gotta find them, guys. Hopefully that's gonna be one of many. Maybe there's another one right there. It was a subtle bite. Very subtle bite. There's a fish. Come on. Felt you. I knew that was a bite. Oh, I just took the shad. I just took the shad. That's a good sign. I'm gonna try your baby bull shad by Buka brand. Expensive bait. Hopefully we don't get snagged and lose it. These are 15 bucks for this 3.5-inch bait. But it looks juicy. It looks like the real deal shad. It's hopeful that we don't lose this sucker. Oh, God. Got some blow-ups. Blow-ups right in front of me. There's a fish. Oh, he's a good one. Got a good one, guys. Like Buka bait. Good bass. Coming right here. Oh! Careful with this one. Just being careful with this fish. Look at that, guys. Another good fish. These are 14-inch maybe. Another good bass right here. Not as big as the first one we caught, but it is decent. Pale looking bass. Another largemouth. It's an awesome fish. I'll let him go. He's off. Got him using this Mike Buka bait. 3.5-inch shad. Let's see if there's another one. There's a lot of bait, a ton of bait here everywhere where I'm currently stationed, and hopefully we don't lose this bait, because I'll be disappointed. I'll be ashamed of myself if we lose this bait. It's $15 bait right here. It's all worth it so far. There's a fish. Oh, crap. Gosh. That was a nice blow up right there. Almost a top water. Top water action. Some nice top water action right there. How's it going? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Any luck?
I got some few bass, that's about it.
Nice. Yeah, I got a couple as well.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I know, it's with overcast weather, I think that helps a little bit.
Yeah. I've been out here till 6 o'clock in the morning, so.
Oh, you've been out here since 6 o'clock in the morning. Wow.
Yeah.
Did you go further out there?
Yeah, all the way by the water pump.
By the water pump. Okay.
Yeah. I don't know if you've been there or not, but yeah, it's pretty far.
I know. It's like, if you've been here since 6 o'clock, man, it's about 12 hours coming back now.
I mean, you don't get to do this a lot, so you
I know. Yep. Absolutely.
enjoy it while you can.
Yep. Exactly. With the beautiful weather too, you know.
It is.
Try to do it as much as you can. Have a good one.
Good luck.
About a foot of water. There's a fish. There's a fish. There's a bass. Another bass right here. Okay, we got him. He hit the boat. There's a fish. There's a small bass. Got away. All right. Well, that's all the time that we have left for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have not done so yet and you're new to the channel, hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. All of them are free. Remember, keep those lines wet. Until next time, bye for now. I'll catch you on my next video.